I'm Eunice from Rated V. We're excited about plant-based food with vegan food and travel. And I am going to show you 3 different places where you can try vegan fried chicken when you're in the Los Angeles area. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you guys what I liked about each place. So let's get into it.
First stop is at a very unassuming strip mall for the one and only Doomie's.
All right, so I am at the famous Doomie's in Hollywood. You guys, this place is OG. It's been around since 2010, so over 10 years. It is a favorite spot within the Los Angeles area. A lot of people talk about it. When I did a burger video a while back ago, people kept commenting like, why didn't you go to Doomie's? I was like, I'm sorry. So in this vegan fried chicken video, I needed to come to this OG spot to show you how they master the vegan fried chicken scene. All right, so why is this place even here? Why did they start? So the owner, back when he was starting, he used to hang out with a lot of people who were vegan and vegetarian. He wasn't, right? So naturally he would eat with them and he would crave food that he ate, AKA fried chicken. And back then there was nothing really that wasn't like super healthy. We all know, like us vegans and vegetarians, we like to eat healthy, but sometimes we don't feel like it. When I first transitioned to be a vegetarian vegan, right? I went 6 months before I caved on, guess what? Fried chicken. So I knew that if I was gonna continue on this plant-based journey, I needed to find the right substitute for vegan fried chicken. And don't get me wrong, there's like tons of different kinds, but sometimes you just want the stuff that you used to eat, and there's nothing wrong with that. So here at Doomie's, they use a soy and wheat-based patty, but they take it to the next level. How? They batter it and they do all the right seasonings and everything because they want to give you that fried chicken experience but vegan. They don't want to harm any animals. They want to use plant-based ingredients, right? And they want to give you that fix and that comfort food that sometimes you crave. So I think that's okay. Sometimes when people want to transition to a plant-based diet, they need that food that they recognize and they find it as comforting in order to stick with their transition, their lifestyle that they want to choose, right? So you guys, when this came out of the fryer, it looks straight up like fried chicken. They now have this 2-piece chicken plate, right? And it just looks so good. It's battered to perfection, you guys. But you have to get the fries here, non-negotiable. These are some of the best freaking fries I've ever had. Don't mind if I do. All right, but enough talking. I need to try this. You cut into this, it looks like that white meat in the chicken. It gives you that fried chicken experience, right? But all plant-based, so it's fun. All right, cheers. Go on. You guys, this isn't the first time I've had this, okay? I'm not gonna lie, but it's so good every single time. Let me tell you why this vegan fried chicken is so special. They make their own vegan chicken fat, okay? Because regular chicken tends to have a layer of fat onto it, right? They make their own skin, whatever. They prepare it really well to give you that fried chicken experience, but vegan. So if you are looking for fried chicken, but you want to go plant-based, this is one place you need to go. They even have the drumstick. This used to be my favorite part, okay? So, yeah. Oh my God. This is so good. This is seriously next level. Like, just look at the inside of this. Look at it. Let me try this mac and cheese too. This is some of the creamiest mac and cheese you'll ever eat. And what I like is that they even top it with extra vegan cheese because, you know, why not go extra? And if you're a sweet tooth like yours truly, they got cakes that they make in-house, but they also got milkshakes. They have like 30 different flavors. I got Oreo. Get the whipped cream too. Oh my gosh. If you want the full experience, comforting fast food, don't want to hurt the animals, you want to not consume meat, you need to come here. Come to Doomie's. They also have a vegan Mexican place next door. It's a staple. It's been around for a while. You got to give it a try.
Next, I headed to a park to check out a food truck that has been talked about for years.
All right, I am here at the one and only famous Lettuce Feast. You guys, this truck has been around for a while, and I have been eyeing their vegan fried chicken sandwiches for years, even before I lived here, because that is how delicious they look. And one of the most popular sandwiches is the Nashville Hot with vegan hot honey. It's got the slaw, it's got the pickles, it's got the everything. And you can't forget the fries. You don't mind if I do. They are seasoned. They are so good. You have to follow their Instagram account, which, by the way, warning, it is drool worthy. And they post where they're gonna be every week. So right now I'm in Long Beach, they're at Somerset Park. There's benches you can sit down too to enjoy, but I just wanna stand and eat my food, because why not? I'm too anxious, so let's give this a try. Oh my God, it was so good. This is everything you dream of and more. I just had to take 2 bites because it's so juicy, it's so crispy. The flavor is all there. It's not extremely spicy, so if you can't handle spicy, you'll still like this. Definitely a must try. Make sure to check out their Instagram to see where they're popping up. They also have these desserts. They don't have them today because you know I would have got one. They have this thing called the strawberry shortcake. They're like this monstrosity of a dessert. Dude, you gotta get them. So I wanna share an interesting conversation I was just having with the owner. We were talking about how even though you're vegan, sometimes you still wanna eat food that you used to eat when you were non-vegan, right? But something particular that he really pointed out that I really liked was like, he's like, you eat these certain types of foods because of the seasonings. Like even if you were a non-vegan and you go to a fried chicken place and you say, oh, hold the flesh or hold the seasoning, people are gonna look at you crazy, right? The whole point of his food is because it reminds you of the food you used to eat because of the seasonings. The seasonings is what makes it. And that's what's really important. And also, like, it's just his way of advocating, like, we do not have to eat animals. Like, eating their blood is just not good for your blood. There's a way to still eat the food that you used to eat and eat the food that you love, but make it completely plant-based with the right seasonings. So I really like that, and I just wanted to share that. So I hope you guys really check out Lettuce Feast. Check out where they're popping up, try their menu, and let me know what you think.
Last stop is a new favorite blowing up in LA.
Okay, so continuing on to our vegan fried chicken crawl. You guys, Heart House is one of my favorite spots. I've been to it before. It's been featured in my must-3 vegan burger videos that you can check out here. But the reason I wanted to come here is to, again, feature their vegan fried chicken. It is now called the number 2, at least my personal favorite. They have a couple different options, but this is the spicy one with kale and everything, and the hot chili oil. Let's give it a try. I just like this burger. I know everybody has their own opinion with their favorite burger, but I like it. I like the bun, everything. They manufacture their own vegan meats, which is nice. They don't use like a name brand manufacturer or whatever, so that's really nice. But the reason I'm also here is because there is a new item launching on the menu, and it is called the Twisted Tots. So think of animal style fries if you're familiar with In-N-Out, but all vegan. So it's got the vegan grilled cheese, the grilled onions. Guys, I love the tots, but let's give this one a try. Okay, I used to love getting the tots, but I think this is gonna be my new favorite. This is freaking delicious. It's comfort food, secret menu. It's nostalgic, which is really good. But you gotta always end with something sweet, so. The strawberry milkshake is absolutely delicious. I think this is a place to really check out just because they really want to advocate for better plant-based options in the fast food space. And that's what I really like about this. They've grown so fast in a couple years, so I think it's worth checking out. They also got different sauces, in-house made, like not supery sugar drinks like sodas, right? Overall, just great to check out. Okay, so as you can see, there are some amazing vegan fried chicken spots in Los Angeles, and I'm gonna tell you what I liked about each place. With Doomie's, okay, I just love that they really put a lot of thought and process into the whole fried chicken experience, right? But making it plant-based. The fact that they put their own fat and like skin in there, I'm like, that's next level. I know that might be controversial for some vegans, but you know what? I don't even care, because from a perspective, as like, let's say from a non-vegan perspective, I think it would really entice them to try vegan food, and that's the whole point, right? And then something I love about Lettuce Feast is that they just really like work on those seasonings and the crispiness. Oh my gosh, it's so crispy. And I love like on the burgers, you can see the color and like the glossiness of the sauce and it sticks on it. So great. And then on Heart House, I just love that they're really advocating for this vegan food and fast food scene, right? They're very welcoming to a lot of non-vegans. In fact, most of the people that eat there are not vegan. So I just like that they're creating that safe space for people to try it too, right? And they're just like really being huge advocates for it. I hope you guys check these places out when you're in the LA area and let me know if I need to do a part 2 or what vegan fried chicken places I missed. A girl can only eat so much, but I'm willing to eat again. Anyways, if you want to see more of my vegan travel videos, you can check them out on here, and I'll catch you next time on Rated V. Bye!